What's up guys, this is your boy Mark with Mark's Kitchen. Today what we're gonna be making is a little Instant Pot recipe. All the spices, everything is literally optional. If you wanna throw some rosemary in there, be my guest. If you wanna throw some Lowry's on there, go ahead. If you wanna throw some ginger, go ahead dude. It's real nice either way, alright? Here's what you need to get started making that pork loin. I always get overly excited when I'm cooking a huge slab of meat. This is about 2.5 pounds of pork. It's gonna be real nice right there, all right? We gotta season this bad boy. Got some salt, onion powder, adobo, pepper, and paprika. Smoked, of course. Don't forget, we gotta season both sides, my guy. We got the nice fat cap on top. We're gonna sear that baby. We gotta set the Instant Pot to saute. For about a half a cup of avocado oil on the bottom. Gonna squeeze a couple cloves of garlic onto the oil just to make sure it's all fragrant.
Bruh. Bro, what are you talking about, man?
We're just gonna drop the meat inside, let it saute and brown on the fat side. Gonna leave it in there for about 3 minutes. We want to get all sides of this. Once we're all sauteed, we're gonna add the rest of our garlic and we're gonna add our whole onion, sprinkle on our fresh oregano. We're gonna add about 1.5 cups of chicken stock with a little bit of thyme. And we're just gonna pop on the lid. Set it to pressure cook for 30 minutes. This is my favorite part of the Instant Pot. Ready? Woo. Let's take a look. Look at that steamy goodness. It's been doing a lot of work. We're gonna let it rest for a bit. Just so we're all on the same page here, we're not letting any of that chicken stock or that good on the bottom of the pan go to waste. It can be made into gravy. All you gotta do is add a little bit of a flour water mixture to it to thicken it up a little bit. You can say that's gonna be real nice right there, all right? We're gonna add 2 tablespoons flour and a half cup of water. This is what we like to call homogenizing your ingredients. Once this gorgeous liquid comes to a boil, thicken this up. Keep stirring until it gets nice and thick to your desire. You got a Mark's Kitchen cutting board. We're gonna slice these up about 1 inch thick. Can't forget about that lovely gravy right on top. That is some nice pork right there, y'all. Could have used a different vessel, but whatever, dude. Let's take a look at that bite. First bite. The meat is so juicy. It's seasoned perfectly. This is so easy to make. Highly recommend you getting in the kitchen and giving this a try. Thanks for tuning in to Mark's Kitchen. And you already know what they say. If you can do it in Mark's Kitchen, you can do it in your kitchen. Peace.